Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous steel star bracelet and choker, perfect for adding a little sparkle to any outfit. It's simple, elegant and super fun to make. So let's have a look at the material. These are 6 mm star beads, some 11 seed beads in two colors, a lobster clasp and a chain, and some fishing line to weave the beads. I'm starting with 6 blue beads and the extension chain. Go through all of it once again and now tie a couple of secure knots. Once you have secured with knots, trim the extra tail, and now I will go through 2 to 3 beads just so that I am away from the knot. I have chosen these shining blue seed beads to represent the night sky and complement the sparkling little stars. What do you think? Here I have taken 4 blue seed beads, 1 transparent seed bead, 1 star bead and 1 transparent seed bead. Go through 2 seed beads, pull the thread properly so that the 2 transparent seed beads sit absolutely close to the star bead. And now go through the 4 blue beads. Pick the same set of beads, 4 blue, 1 transparent, 1 star and 1 transparent, and go through 2 blue beads. Pull the thread properly every time so that the transparent seed beads are absolutely close to the star beads. I am going through 4 blue beads and I will again pick the same set of beads. Going through 2 beads. So we have to follow this pattern to make the entire bracelet. Isn't it very simple? But it looks so pretty. I absolutely love the star beads. Go ahead, complete the length and I'll see you there. I have finished the desired length and now it's time to add the clasp. I have taken 1 seed bead, the lobster clasp and 3 seed beads and go through 2 seed beads. And now I will go through all of these once again. And now the only thing left is to tie a couple of knots, go through some beads and then trim the tail. And if you are planning to make a choker, simply increase the length. And that's it. Your beautiful steel star bracelet and choker are ready to shine. The sparkling blue seed beads are like tiny trails of stardust linking each star together. I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow jewelry lovers. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified of all my upcoming videos. See you in the next tutorial. Stay creative and keep sparkling.